Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to enjoy your fried plantains without the guilt of too much oil or having it fried. Here are all the ingredients we will be using today. So the first thing you want to do is have ripe plantains. It shouldn't be too soft, but just very ripe. Okay, it should still be strong to touch, but you can tell that it's ripe but not soggy. So I am going to be using 2 medium ripe plantains for this recipe video. I'll peel my plantains and I am going to be cutting them just a little bit slim, and then I have the thick cut. So in this video I'll be showing you 2 different kind of thickness that we can use in the air fryer, just so that you know what to expect for both. I've also updated this recipe, but I'll be sharing the updated version later. So season your plantains the way you like. I just like a little bit of salt, some black pepper, lots of onion powder and garlic powder in mine. But as always, feel free to customize this recipe to suit your preferences. Okay, so after seasoning it, I am going to be adding just a little bit of olive oil to this. Now, as I mentioned, I have an updated recipe for this where I cut out the olive oil totally. I only use the spray, but you're going to be putting about a tablespoon here of olive oil, not a lot, but just because we want to still have that taste of having our plantain fried as against baked. I know a lot of people complain that the reason they don't like air fried plantains is because it doesn't give them the feeling of eating fried plantain. So to the bottom of my air fryer, I'm going to be adding some parchment paper just for easy cleanup. Okay, you can totally skip this step. I would place my plantains spaced evenly apart. You know, you don't want your air fryer to be crowded. As you can see, there's still a lot of space in there. And then I will be baking this at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. But my air fryer has a setting for fries, and that's what I used here. But usually 400 degree Fahrenheit works. After 10 minutes of this going, I'm going to bring out my plantains and then I will flip them over, because as you can see, this side looks good. We want to repeat the process on the other side. I'm going to flip it over and continue to cook it in the air fryer for another 10 minutes. What I do also is spray a little bit of olive oil spray on it, just because, as I mentioned, right, you want to also get that taste of fried plantains without the guilt. That's where the olive oil spray comes in. And as you can see, you cannot tell me that this doesn't look like it was actually deep fried or fried in the frying pan and not the air fryer. So as you can see, it's golden, just the perfect fried plantain color. And here, as you can see, it is not crispy. It's soft to tear apart. A lot of people complain about air fryer plantains being crispy. Here I'm going to show you a second size. As you can see, these sets of plantains were thicker, and I sprayed my olive oil, put it in there, repeat the entire process, and as you can see, same golden color. Okay, this is these were cut slightly thicker than the first sets, but as you can see, it looks like it was fried. It is perfect, and I'm going to see, I'm pressing it here and you can see that it is soft. And that's it, guys. This is how I make fried plantains in the air fryer. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until next time, have a good one, guys. Bye.